Hey guys, it's the holiday season. Zayn, careful. Holiday season is upon us. Zoe's cousins came in yesterday evening. I can't even laugh. The noise. From one shout to the other. Anyway, they're having a good time regardless. So I want to make meat pie today. We're making meat pie. But before then, let me eat. I've not had anything today. So I won't eat because I know that for me, meat pie can be energy draining. I feel it's stressful because you stand anyway. But let me share it. See the kind of noise. Yes, see the kind of play this was our playing. Hi, I feel for you, Desiree. Sorry.
He's the one that's disturbing us.
What am I doing?
Now you know what you're doing.
What am I doing? Name it.
These are the items I'm using for the meat pie. I have potato and carrots. I already cleaned this. Milk, cold milk, salt, butter, flour, minced meat, baking powder, eggs, and this, guys, this one just came today. I didn't plan to use it anyway. I ordered it a couple of days, but I was thinking it would not come. But because God is in this meat pie we're making, it arrived today and I've eaten. So let's start work.
So you can go this evening. Fine, just make sure you wear your footwear because this seat that no the lady seat. How long will this one take to cook? 30 minutes. So quickly it's like
15. My filling is ready. I'm just waiting for it to get cold. I started doing my, what's it called? My dough. But it's too much for this cup, so I'll just have to use my hand. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, come. This is it. This very tiny one on top is for Zayn, and this other one as well. I'll just use egg to wash it and then put it in the oven. Let's see. Okay, let me put on the light. Yeah, see, I think I'll bring it out now. Looks good already. You guys, my first batch of meat pie is ready. I'll show you guys. See how tired I look since I'm just finishing. Oh, but meat pie is not for me. Pastries, as a matter of fact, I don't like doing them because it's time consuming. You stand till you can't stand no more. But I'm good and I'm happy that I'm done now. I want to go and quickly take a rest because my people have gone to the cinema, and before they come back with their plenty noise, let me even rest my head and my feet a bit. Fresh out of the oven. Golden brown, the way I like it. It looks so crispy. I've not opened it, but I'm sure it'll be very, very crispy and tasty. Let me put the second batch now. Off to the city center. I hope you guys can even hear me. The so windy. The sun is out. Hooray! I have my eye appointment today, and I've been stalling. I hope I don't get there late. It's as if me and lateness, God will help me. God will help me. I didn't even check what time the bus is coming. I just left home. Woo. Just going up for my appointment. Oops, I'm never too late. Oh, there we go. Maybe I still have like 10 minutes. Even this way should come like 20 minutes before. I just finished my appointment. It took so long, 2 hours plus I was there, and I want to still go to Primark, but I still quickly enter John Lewis. I wanted to make an inquiry. It's getting late. I've not collected the glasses though. I was told to come back in 2 days time, and I still have nail appointments that period, I think with 3 days. So I'll just wait for my nail appointment, then I'll come and pick up my glasses. Now I'm contemplating whether to go to Primark or not. Seaport. So it's giving God when vibes. Let me show you guys. There's no way I'll come to city center and not enter this John Lewis. Seaport is giving God when vibes. So nice and colorful. Just look at, imagine your kitchen orange with all these cooking utensils. See price. We'll get there. We'll get there, because why is one pot 300 plus? All of them. Oh, see another one. 305. Okay, so it's for 239. This one now is 369. 369. God, look at this green. Hey God. Look at this green set. Then see the white. Let me say I won't buy, but I'm confused. I'm confused though. It's giving God when vibes. So heavy. You guys, I'm craving noodles. I've been craving noodles badly. I went to have dinner last night and he came back with some leftover beef. That's what I want to use to make this my noodles. It's gonna bang, 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 bang. But I'm making breakfast for Zane first, then proceed with my noodles. This is my favorite noodles. This My noodles is ready just how I like it. No too much serene. See, I'm salivating. I can't wait to eat my... Only Cameroon pepper, aside the beef and chicken. Cameroon pepper and the noodle seasoning.
Do your video for fun. Is that your own? Mommy, is that hot?
It's very hot. See this thing. Eat your own food.
That's correct, Mommy. That's correct, Mommy. Mommy, do you like it?
I love it. How delicious.
Because the indomie is very delicious. Mommy, what is that?
What is what?
The indomie.
Do you want?
The small one.
Go and bring your spoon. And be oil fork, I mean.
Where is this one?
Yeah.
Wait. So still. Need it.
Mine fork.
Have kids, they said. See, this way was just looking at me when I was eating this same indomie that I'll make for them. They won't eat. Now she's shortening my ration. It's like them so much. You finish all of them. Use your fork. Take your fork and eat.
Where's my fork?
She eating.
You take them, Mommy. You take them.
To think that this noodles is very spicy.
It's very spicy. Yeah. Mommy, it's very spicy.
It's very spicy.
I want to eat
now.
meat.
I like meat too.
This is Zane's food. He's not eating.
I am eating it. Yeah, actually tasty. This indomie. It's so delicious. It's so delicious.
This food I ate, it hit the right spot.
Mama, look.
Even though my people shortened my ration, but I'm glad I ate. I don't even know if I'm satisfied or not because they didn't allow me to eat the food in peace. I said, let me come and rest. But I just remember that I have things to do. Guys, my first brand deals, I got them on TikTok. Yes. Your girl is now an official influencer, baby. See them. I started yesterday. I've done 2 videos. So I'll do for this. That's how I'll do it my time today. Oh, I was thinking I was going to rest today, but rest is like, rest make I see. Then stop.
Then?
Rest make I see. So, no rest, no rest. I totally forgot. And I still have to cook. Oh. The Lord is my strength. See you guys in my next video. Bye. And remain blessed.